there back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drip, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new paddock, I had to watch so I two-toned them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. It ain't your car, you just a lease, so you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that fire when I'm performing. The back end just came in and all honest. Vibes galore, cute, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she coming. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Look too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the town. I'm this way, doing all these shows.
Alright, y'all. So I got my partner in crime to help me taste some of this amazing food. We have some shrimp ramen. We have 3 different birria tacos.
Chicken, beef, and shrimp.
Yes, and then I ordered some beef quesadillas. So we gonna let y'all know what we think. And we also have a guava lemonade and a little bit of dessert, some churro by the pound. So, yeah, let's get started.
I'm gonna start with this chicken taco. We gonna see what's popping. We gonna eat it without any dip, so we can give y'all like some good feedback of what the actual taco tastes like without anything. Just taco. I got some. What did I get on here? What is the extra stuff? Some onions, cilantro, all that good stuff. Yeah. Thank you. What are the three sauces?
So the garlic consomme is more so for your seafood, so your shrimp or your crawfish, but I eat it with all of them.
Okay.
This is the garlic?
That's the garlic consomme. Then your red is your traditional red consomme.
Red,
and then your green sauce is your pressure sauce.
Pressure
So that's
sauce.
gonna give you a little kick.
All
right, on the one.
Cool.
All right.
So I'm gonna try it by itself first. This is the chicken.
Did you get it back?
And I'm trying this quesadilla. I don't know if I can handle the pressure, so I'm
Hey.
Come up and take a picture with your bag.
This chicken go hard.
okay.
Chicken go hard. By itself. Now,
Try a little pressure.
we're gonna try it in the pressure.
Ooh, I think I got too much pressure.
You put too much pressure. Too much pressure.
Come on.
Oh man.
I like the pressure too.
Oh man.
Okay, that pressure make.
Hey, here's some good stuff. Look,
Okay.
they asking us to go take a picture. We gotta do
We'll
something.
be right back. Now, y'all, it's a little cold out here. So, you
The
know.
red sauce is good.
Now, y'all,
It's cool.
we now about to try this ramen. This is my first time at the Birria Queen. And this is also like my first time trying this type of ramen. I usually just eat, you know, the regular noodles. And I don't be having all this stuff in mine. So, this is the first time for everything.
I don't want no.
The garlic sauce is cool.
Okay. The ramen is it's pretty good. This is pretty decent. Okay. Try that.
Try the ramen. Hey, the chicken tacos are the same. I just finished the chicken taco.
I'm still holding this bag.
I had it with the pressure sauce, I had it with the red sauce, and I had it with the garlic sauce.
Let me see what this lime made. This
Pressure
guava.
sauce is number 1.
Oh, okay.
Garlic sauce is number 2. The red sauce is number 3.
This is some watermelon guava limeade. So let's see what this hitting on. I'm not a fan of watermelon drinks, but we gonna see.
Hey.
It tastes watermelon.
She don't like watermelon.
It's not bad though.
Hey, these noodles, I be thinking I be hooking up my noodles doing something at the house. Ain't got nothing on this.
Ain't got nothing on the noodles.
Hey, these noodles go hard.
Put your hands
Hey, I got
on
me
the oodles and noodles.
I got me a new spot, y'all.
Nah, these quesadillas. So I was having a hard time deciding if I wanted chicken or beef, but I'm actually pretty glad I went with the beef because I'm feeling it.
Are these noodles yours or mine?
Yours.
Because I'm about to eat them all. Must good.
I'm gonna want to try one of your tacos though. I just want to try it.
Well, you better hurry up.
Okay, y'all. So this is my first time trying a birria taco. And most people dip it in the motor oil. So I'm gonna just dip it in the motor oil because that's what people do. So I'm gonna dip it in the motor oil. You said that was number what on your rating?
That's last on my rating.
Last? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna get a little pressure. Now y'all, I love tacos. And this taco really good. This sauce, I don't remember what it was called, but it's just it's like I don't know. But this pressure sauce,
I just had the shrimp taco by itself. It's good too. And I'm trying to figure out, that's why I had paused for a long time. Is it better than the chicken taco? I haven't quite figured it out yet. It's just by itself. So now I'm gonna dip it in the garlic sauce.
the pressure sauce is what's up. But the taco low key do taste good. That's why I was like, I don't think this sauce is making a difference in the taste. But it's, oh y'all, this is good food. If y'all looking for some really good food in Houston, you can come to 4501 Alameda Food Truck Park and come to the Birria Queen. Y'all, nothing that I've tasted has disappointed tonight, okay? I would give it a 9 out of 10. If we was inside, I'd probably give it a 10 out of 10. We cold right now, my fingers frozen.
Oh, you can sit there.
So, yeah.
The shrimp taco with the garlic sauce is the perfect combination. The pressure sauce still goes hard, still is my favorite. But the shrimp taco with the garlic sauce, can't go wrong with that. But you can't go wrong with the pressure sauce at all.
Okay, y'all, so
Yeah.
we have churro by the pound. You know, you always gotta have a little dessert. Black people always gotta have some dessert with their food. So, we're gonna try this churro. You want some?
I don't need none.
Good.
I just want these tacos, they so good.
Y'all, it's good. It's gonna be even better when I get to the house and warm it up. I like it.
Let me try it.
This is a perfect little lunch date. Dinner date. Where you ate all that food?
Good. Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
All right, y'all. So, what would you rate the experience? Oh, you should try one of my try one of my quesadillas. My bad. Look, y'all. Look at. Hold on, wait. Move. Y'all, look at this pool. Look at this. Look at how it's. Oh my God, it's good. Music. Gotta get in that pressure. It's good, ain't it? For real. What would you rate your experience tonight?
Let me tell you this.
Oh, it's pretty good. I'm just not a watermelon fan. So, I hate watermelon flavored anything except for watermelon. Like, I love watermelon. I just don't like watermelon flavored drinks or candy or anything like that.
She tripping, it's a whole.
I didn't say I didn't. I said I'm not a fan of watermelon flavored drinks.
So for me, a 10 mean everything was perfect. It was dang near perfect. So I'm gonna give it a 9. The only reason why I'm giving it a 9 is because I didn't really too much like the red sauce, but outside of that, everything is perfect, on point, and it's really good. You can't go wrong. You can't go wrong with the Birria Queen. Make sure you check her out. She's at 4501 Alameda, right here in Houston, Texas. Black on, going hard.
Let me just add that the food prices also was not bad. Like, I paid like $20 for my quesadillas, my churro, and my drink. Like, y'all, this is you can't beat this. You gotta
good price point, great food, great customer service.
Excellent customer service. That's a big.
Food came out fast. Might be a 10 out of 10. I don't know.
Don't forget your noodles, baby. All right, y'all. So I want to thank y'all for tuning in with us, and we gonna catch you next time.